Ladies and gentlemen, the time is here again. Our brother dedicated for bringing good tidings, Mazi Okewala, the Reggae Messiah, Nwando Mondoba, is on it again. This time with the Igbo Cultural Festival live in Dublin. Date Sunday the 25th of June 2023. Venue Clondalkin, Dublin 22. Time 7 p.m. Activities include cultural dance by Afro Star Cultural Dance Group, Akikowa, Akekonegu, Okuntabire, Ekeremba, Igbo language competition for the kids. Most importantly, he will showcase his new album titled Bring It On. The chairman of the occasion, Chief Okechukwu Felix Obiesie, Oke Waterford, Ojose Mema, and all the hosts of Almighty Igbo Union Waterford. MC of the day is none other person but Mrs. Vivian Kano Oji, MC Wanganga. So wherever you are around Dublin, Ireland, and all over the world, come and enjoy original Igbo culture. Reggae Messiah. Reggae Messiah. Reggae.
We go! I know my name, I know the meaning of my name, I don't know what Jesus is expecting of me. Never mind me before when I don't know Jesus. Those days it was out of ignorance. After 1 year singing, brother, I tell you, I have surprised the hypocrites, I have surprised the rumamongers, I have surprised the backbiters, I have surprised the enemies, I have, oh my God!